U.S. Steel update here on the 22nd. Gonna do an update because we are getting close to the price target that I had talked about in previous videos. I don't remember the last time I did a video on this, but we were definitely in the low 20s or maybe high teens, somewhere around in that area. And I was thinking we are gonna come up here to 27 based on how far we dipped right here. And we're getting very close. We're at 25.97. If we look at the full chart here, we have a 5-wave move starting back where Corona crash finished up here in March. That is 5-wave move and overall the wave 1. The reason for that is this hit a new low, so we knew we were starting a new trend. And then this move right here is another 5-wave move. Since it's a 5-wave move, it should be just the A wave. And that makes a lot of sense because if this were the B wave, we'd be looking for or if this was the whole move, for a second wave, then we'd be looking for an impulsive move to start the third wave. But instead, we're getting a corrective move right here. So for that reason, we know that this corrective move is not finished. So that makes this A for sure, and it looks like A too. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's A. So we knew we were looking for the B wave right here. Since we know we're looking for the B wave, we have A right here. So we have A, B, and we know we're looking for the C wave right here. The bottom of here came down 1789 to 1644. So we have about $1.40 higher than this. So I think there's a potential this could go all the way to 27.69, somewhere around there. And maybe it'll be out here in like December. Could be, but it's probably more likely going to be in the next couple of days. And I don't know, SPY I have going down first, but maybe SPY will just keep on going up to the 200 DMA by Friday. And if that happens, then this would probably top out on Friday as well. And today I started averaging into puts. I'm buying them for, I just did February $27 puts for part of my puts. And then I also, I sold a few puts and then I used that premium to buy some April $15 puts. And I'll show you why I did that. And those are the more risky, obviously, because we'd be falling almost 50% over the next like 3 to 6 months. But the reason I did that is this chart. If this is A and this is B, then we have to make a C wave down here. If we come to 27.69 and we came here at 39, I would expect at least $12 less than the top of the B wave. And I can show you on using trend lines. Let's say we hit 27.69. I think I already have it drawn out here. I would expect to at least hit this middle line right here. And coming down here obviously would be pretty far. It's probably not going to hit the bottom of this trend line, but I would guess the middle will be more likely. And the middle actually corresponds here in like March at 13 bucks. So I think it's possible to get 13 bucks, and then we come over here too. You also see we have a gap right here. If you're on the monthly, you can see it pretty well at 1103 from the Corona crash. So 1103 is actually probably the most likely target. We can look at the fibs from this A wave, and the 1.23 fib is right around there, so that's a possibility. Also, if we go to 27.69, the 1.61 is at 928. I think that's possible too. And yeah, all this is just straight technical analysis. This has nothing to do with fundamentals, because I know that the PE ratio on this and the fundamentals are ridiculous, but that really doesn't even matter on this stock right now. It's just correcting this move that went from 479 all the way to 39 in 2 years. So when you go that far up, when you basically 10 times in 2 years, then you have to correct at least a good portion of that move. And in this case, it looks like a B wave right here. So I'm expecting a 5-wave move down here to probably anywhere from, I'll say $11 to $15. And I'm guessing that will happen by March or April of next year. So this could take a long time. As you can see, this started in July. So it's been about 5 months for this move to play out. So we could be looking at March, April, maybe even May to get all the way down here. Or it could be quick. Maybe it'll be done by February. We'll see. But I'm starting to average into puts. And yeah, it looks like, I mean, you can also just look at it like this, kind of like a head and shoulders. We got shoulders, head, and we're doing the shoulders on this length, and we come back down here to complete the move. So a few different ways you can look at it, but we are about finished with this area. The 200 DMA is also right here at 20. Right now it's at like 24.90. So is that right? Yeah, 24.87. So it is above that, but we'll see if it can hold that over the next like week or two. So just a quick update. Let me know what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe if you like the content. And I'll do some more updates. Let's see if we can get this to start falling here in the next couple of weeks, start this first wave down. And I will do some more updates to let you know where we're at in the chart. All right, have a good one.